Good evening. This is the CoolWidget Microsoft Office conversion. Week 4 interactive assignment. My name is Richard Stepien for the Introduction to Project Management class. Our project update cover sheet. I've already stated our name is the CoolWidget Microsoft Office conversion, reporting from the middle of November until the beginning of December. Overall project status is green. As I go forward, you'll see why. Some impacting elements to the project that we have had is the New York office training. The issue with Sandra and her brother's company have been handled. This was the outside contractor services that was a relationship to one of our team members. We're evaluating other bids on that job now. The company that was looked at was very promising with a good price, but to better comply with ethical standards, the company has excluded this company from our consideration for this. The delay should be minimal, as there were already bids from several other companies that we can bring in. Of course, travel can always impact things like this across the country. We've planned for that somewhat, but we're assuming that the travel will go off without a problem. And then scope creep. We're battling this because personal preferences have to be evaluated against the project scope. The team has been briefed on potential scope creep and how to handle it by utilizing the scope statement. Milestones accomplished were that the project team is organized. The manager, myself, and the team, Sandra, Paulo, Aaron, and Alicia. The scope statement was accepted, and then the California initial rollout has been successful. Again, we'll have to be careful to ensure wants are not perceived as needs and issues are not made out of preferences that will threaten the project timeline. Upcoming milestones pretty much include wrapping up the project, completing the training on all the other sites, finalizing the report, and then the formal closing of the project with the presentation. The Gantt chart for the current period shows the milestones that were reached and then the upcoming milestones. Month 4 of this project finds us in the executing stage, and more specifically the monitoring issues. This will be important to keep a close eye on. I've mentioned earlier that personal preferences must not be misconstrued as issues to prevent scope creep. The project is on track for meeting the schedule, being that the initial rollout in California has been successful, and we look forward to rolling out the rest. Thank you.